Finders keepers, losers weepers is a popular playground rhyme. But is it also an effective legal argument? This was the question in Ganter versus Kapiloff. Sometime in 1979 or 1980, Robert Ganter spent $30 on a dresser in a used furniture store. After taking the dresser home, Ganter found 2 sets of stamps, accompanied by an official-looking certificate in an envelope in one of the drawers. Ganter later mentioned the stamps to an acquaintance, who suggested he have them appraised. In 1982, Ganter took the stamps to an appraiser and was surprised to find that they were worth $150,000. He decided to sell his newfound treasure. On February 1, 1983, Bernard Kapiloff was looking through a stamp catalog and saw an advertisement for the stamps. Bernard and his brother Leonard had bought the stamps in 1976 and thought the stamps were still in their possession. It wasn't until Bernard spotted the ad that the brothers realized they'd misplaced the stamps. Bernard contacted Ganter and demanded that he return the stamps. When Ganter refused, the Kapiloff brothers sued him in state court. The brothers asked the court for 2 things. First, replevin, or return of the stamps, and second, a declaratory judgment that the Kapiloffs were the true owners of the stamps. The court granted the Kapiloffs summary judgment on both counts, and Ganter appealed to the Maryland Court of Special Appeals. Ganter argued that the court should declare him the owner of the stamps because they'd been in his possession for several years. He also argued that the trial court shouldn't have granted summary judgment because there were 3 unresolved questions of fact. First, Ganter posited that one of the brothers could have secretly sold the stamps. Second, he argued that the stamps in question might not be the same ones purchased by the brothers. And third, he claimed that the brothers had failed to insure the stamps and thus had forfeited their ownership rights.